What's up everyone, McGann here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the two main things you need to have sorted in your Photoshop before you even start. So let's jump in. So these things only work if you're shooting with RAW, which we'll cover in upcoming videos, but at the moment we're just going to open up our RAW file which we've selected. It's going to open up into Camera Raw Editor. From here you want to go down the bottom, Adobe RGB. When you click this dialog box, it's going to open up into this panel here. By default it'll be set on 8-bit and this box won't be checked. So setting it to 16-bit is going to give us our maximum depth of colour that we're going to be able to work with, and opening it as a smart object in Photoshop is invaluable, as you'll soon see. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and start preparing our photo for Photoshop. Camera Raw is a pretty similar workflow to Lightroom, so if you're familiar with that, you should be pretty easy to pick this one up. But basically what you want to do in Camera Raw is just prep your photo for editing, whereas in Lightroom it's all that you do in editing. So we'll go through that in an upcoming video. So I'll go ahead and open up a different image which I've edited before, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. So you can see I've got the original image down the bottom here, highlighted with a little square down the bottom right corner. That indicates that it's a smart object. So I've gone through and I've added a bunch of layers to my edit. I'll just check all them so you can see the finished result. So the benefit of having an item open as a smart object in Photoshop is if I'm not happy with the original retouching I did in RAW, I can just double click the icon, the image icon down the bottom, and it's going to take me back to RAW. And from here I can subtly change things, and I'm working off the original RAW file, which is going to give me the maximum amount of detail to work with in Photoshop. And once I click OK, it's going to go back through and apply those transitions to the entire edit. It's just a really fast way of making positive changes to your image without being destructive. So yeah, like I said, super short video, but these two things, if you implement them in the way that you edit, they're going to help maximize the quality of the work you can put out and speed up your workflow. See you in the next one.